So the edit component will just host a form, and in that form we are going to show the information about or the current version of the customer object, and then use the form to edit the information. Once the user posts, we can put the information or update the information within the MongoDB database using the API. So we're going to proceed similar to what we have in our edit. So we're going to take all these or all details and then put them here. Need to import all these missing package. We're going to introduce the common module. Once again here, the reactive form. And all the modules that we have used in the create, so we're going to just inject them there or import them there. So we're going to do a similar thing there, so we just remove the additional stuff. So that's it. And we're going to get the form as well from there. And it's going to be edit customer instead of create. That's it. Of course, we need to build the form and build the on submit. So we can take them from here, but instead of posting, we are going to put. We're going to adapt this. But before doing that, we're going just to get the form. Once again, form can be added here. And our form is going to be this form group here. Same thing as the create. It's a little slightly different because we need to put instead of post. And that's it. So here we are going to import this validator. And we're going to get the router as well. So the router will help us to navigate to the list component once we are ready, or once we edit customer info. That's it. So here we are going to put instead, and we're going to send the customer ID and the form value. That's it. Now we are ready. We are just going to inject the information or patch the information of the form once the, so we're going to initialize the form here and patch the value once the data is ready. So this is going to be form.patch the value using the data. That's it. So now once we navigate to the edit, you can see that all the information are filled with that with the information about the customer that you have selected. So if I go back here, of course the router again, I import the router, so this is Express, but we are interested in Angular router actually, which is the second one always in the list. So now we are ready to check the edit. So the edit can gather the information. We can say just updated, and then we can say AP here or app. We introduce 098 there to see that it's updated already. So as you can see, everything is updated. So now everything is working fine, and the edit, the delete, the view, and the create are working fine through the Angular front-end application. So I'm going to host this in GitHub and share the link to it so that you can enjoy or take it as a startup if you would. Thank you so much.